Every step. After the funeral, I take my husband to the barrage. There's a storm coming, he says, still wrapped in sorrow. Grief-grey rocks sit like gritted teeth, holding back the sea. No, my love, I point up at the ashy waves. Stratocumulus clouds just have a heavy look. Pretty sea aster and marshmallow line the path of our procession to Peterson Wentlog. The salt marsh wind welcomes. Stroking my husband's hair, it pulls him forwards, eager to play. He lets the moment draw him on. He spots a rock, and amongst the swirls of green and blue, he sees the world and smiles. A small smile, but there it is. Clouds remain our companion as we trail along the coast. The mud flats are all gums, wide stretches chewed off the seawall. We walk, not speaking, every step a soothing word.